Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did individual box braids using crochet braids. I washed and conditioned my hair already, so now I'm going to proceed with parting my hair into sections and installing the little twist. You can do twist or braids. I probably should have done braids, but I'll talk about that later on. You also want to make sure the sections are small enough to match the size of the crochet braid. Don't do the sections too big or else it won't look right. Once this part is done, you should have a full head of mini twist or braids. Also be mindful of your parting. You want it to look as uniform as possible. I used jam, which I wouldn't recommend for this style because it didn't hold my hair at all. In fact, it made it super duper soft, which would have been nice if I was doing a twist out or something, but anyways, use a product like beeswax or an equivalent which has a stronger hold so that way the twist or braids don't unravel when you install the crochet. As you can see, the sections I have are about the right size to match the width of the crochet braid. This is how you get the style to look more natural and people won't be able to tell you use the crochet method. The braids that I am using, I ordered them off of Amazon for like $36. It came with a crochet needle, hair jewels, and 7 packs of hair, which is actually pretty good for the price. But when they came out of the plastic bag, they smelled terrible. Like, it was the worst smell I smelled in a while. So I had to wash them before I put them in my head. I used Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner to wash the braids. Once I was done washing them, I let them air dry over a towel in the bathtub so that way the water wasn't dripping everywhere. So I did finish putting all the twists in my hair last night. It's like 10 a.m. right now. So I woke up to finish my hair because this takes longer than I expected. Like I don't know what I thought. Braids take long no matter what route you go. So you need time. You need like a full day of not doing nothing to get this done in a day. So I had stuff to do last night, like some errands to run, so I wasn't able to finish, let alone finish on camera. I'm back to show y'all how I put the braids in. So I did the back already. This is how the back looks. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna just explain a few things about this method. Okay, so I did twist. I usually do braids all around my head, but I feel like the braids, even though they do stick in better, I feel like they break off like my hair when it's in braids and I fish it through. I don't know. I just wanted to try twist. I usually do braids, but I wanted to try twist, and twists are working for the most part. The only thing is with the jam, I got extra hold jam. Okay, that's what this says on it. Let's jam 3 times. What is that? 3 times less breakage. Extra hold. Extra hold. I got extra hold jam. It didn't extra hold nothing. This is the braid. So this is the knot. Whatever. So then we're gonna put it through. Be careful not to catch the other piece. Oh, let me just fish it through. So as you can see with the twist, because my hair is so soft, it just kind of starts untwisting a bit. So I'm twisting them like more in as I tighten the braid down into the knot. Like y'all saw that, so boom. So there we go. So that's how it looks. Then I take the crochet needle, and for the first loop through, I like to try to get as close to this part as possible, so that way it's secure. And then you just take your hair, right? Boom, clip it, and fish it through. You do some adjustments, you know, make sure that twist is on there, and then move down a little bit into the braid and do it again. And as you can see, that is pretty much it. That's done. So I'm gonna do this around the whole front of my head, and it's gonna be a good time. So let's do this one over. Okay, so that's the downfall of the twist. I tried to twist my hair as tight as I could, but the base, like especially the front of my hair, is mad soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take some jam, some more jam, get that all snatched up, and then I'm gonna do a braid, because the front of my hair is just way too soft to hold the crochet braid on with like a twist. Like it's just, y'all see it kind of just disintegrated out of itself. Yeah, so if you're gonna DIY these, I would recommend if your hair is more soft, either use something that has a hold. You could reinforce it a couple different ways. You can use a rubber band, you can use a braid. As you can see, I just did a braid instead on this part because it just, I don't know, I think I got some of this hair in there. Okay, so then it just wasn't cooperating with the twist, but that's okay, because look, the braid, boom, let's put that right on. And it's way tighter. I probably should have did braids all the way around if we're being real. guys can see, this is what the braids look like when they're all finished. I put them all in my head. It only took me forever, but we did it and we look cute now. That's it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, all of that good stuff. And yeah, that's it for this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.